If you want to take a screenshot on Nothing Phone 3, then we have three main methods that allow you to do so. So the first method is quite standard. We can use the power button and volume down button at the same time. If you press both buttons at the same time, you will easily capture a full screenshot. Besides that, there is also a gesture that allows you to capture a screenshot, but by default this gesture is actually disabled. So we're gonna go to settings, scroll down until you find special features, then we're gonna go to gestures and then choose screenshot gesture. And as you can see over here, we have 3-finger swipe, so we need to turn it on in order to be able to use it. In order to take the gesture screenshot, we need to use 3 fingers and we need to swipe down like this. There we go. And this is the second method. And the last method that I want to show you is quite unusual because we need to open an app first, then we need to go to background apps. And if you go to background apps, over here below the preview of the app, we have the screenshot option. So we can tap on this button in order to take the screenshot of the app that we have over here. Unfortunately, there is no such option to capture a screenshot on the home screen. This is only for apps that we have opened in the background. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.